Melalli Andamas biography, age, parents, boyfriend, makeup. Melalli Andamas biography. Melalli Andamas is a South African social media influencer, YouTuber, Melalli N, and certified makeup artist who is popular for her YouTube makeup tutorial. She was born and raised by her grandmother in Kokstad, a small town in KwaZulu-Natal in South Africa. Melalli Andamas age. She was born on November 29, 1996 in KwaZulu-Natal, South Africa. She is 22 years old as of 2018. Melalli Andamas boyfriend. Melalli Andamas is in a relationship with Bainleen Bear. Bear is one half of local entertainment duo, Major League DJ Z, and has been dating Andamas for about 3 years. For her 21st birthday, he reportedly bought her a TV and a brand new Explorer decoder and topped it off with a pair of Louboutin heels. Andamas ended her day off with some personalized balloons from her boo, one of which read "I love you baby." Melalli Andamas education background. She attended an all-girls boarding high school in PMB. She is a certified makeup artist who obtained her makeup qualification from Leaders in the Science of Fashion, LITSOF. She is also studying a BA in Strategic Brand Communications at Vega School. Melalli Andamas career. She is a professional part-time makeup artist who is still under MAC training. She built her brand through her YouTube channel and Instagram, where she provides tips and tutorials on how to master beauty skills. Her first YouTube tutorial was the L'Oreal Infallible Foundation Review.